Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for Dow Jones and NASDAQ 100. As I shared yesterday that beyond 14,670 for US 100 and 35,250 for US 30, it is going to go on a bull run and sky is the limit. Exactly that has happened. And also, as I shared in my today's global markets forecast, I had shared that beyond 35,500 definitely it is going to rise, and US 100 beyond 14,830 we might see a bullish uh, move. That is what exactly has happened. I hope you all profited. Now we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators what is going to happen today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Those who are missing the daily morning's market forecast, I request you all to watch that analysis also. That sets the tone for the day and it helps you understand why the market is behaving in such a way. So let's start with US 100 first. US 100 right now trading with a close to 1%, 1.3% rise at 4930 levels. Now, first let me turn off the indicators and looking at the first, let's have a near term hourly charts. We'll start with the minor time frame charts. You can clearly see that now, couple of observations I am trying to share here. See, this is still in this channel. Now it is narrowing triangle, and beyond that, it might or it can in fact get a massive bullish candle, because whenever such breakout happens, it is definitely going to go for a massive bullish move or a breakout candle. Now see, this is what it has happened after this consolidation on a downside. It has reversed the angle after this consolidation. Now it is trading sideways. Also you can see here, now see this previous three candles after this retracement, one bullish candle, then support at 14,850, now trading with a rise. So now probably the support again is available at around 14,850 for the day. Only below 14,850 I will recommend you to go short. And also you can see here on the hourly charts, you can find that there is a support at 14,900 and trying to get a resistance at 14,950, 970, and in the coming hours maybe 15,000 definitely may provide a support. Also look at this, the size of the candle, size of the body is reducing, and hence indicating that the bullishness is getting reduced with the move. But also once it breaks out beyond 14,950, definitely it is going to give you further bullish move towards 15,050 levels. This is on the hourly charts. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, this is the consolidation and it has given a breakout beyond 14,800, as I said in morning, that go long. Definitely that has happened. This is the second candle. This is just started 40 minutes 50 minutes back, and with the support at 14,900 it is trying to rise. So now 14,900 is support. Probably before the that is 30 minutes post market opens, I think it might get a strong rise, and beyond that also for next 60 minutes, that is 90 minutes from the market rise, we might see a good bullish move. So this is a candle which will continue till next 70 minutes, and I think it is going to give you enough room to achieve almost 4970 levels. So probably it can head till here 4970, and from there we will see whether it tries to drop. Then 4900 is the support which will come into picture. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also, now see here the body size is consistently increasing, and also look at this, it has got one massive bullish candle, and after this also see this, probably it might try to give you a stronger bullish candle which might take it towards 15,100 levels can be seen. So if it continues to go beyond 14,950, definitely it will try to hit 15,050, 15,100 levels also, definitely in a bullish run. And with the support at 14,900, then 14,850 and 14,800 levels, till the time it remains beyond 14,800 and 750, definitely it is going to go for a bullish move, and possibly we are going to look forward a massive bullish candle ahead. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, after this two consolidation candles, it has given a bullish candle, and now with the support at 14,900, it will continue to rise. The next resistance is at around, now look at this, 14,800 to 15,920. So from 14,900 to 15,020, at least it might, or it will try to give this much bigger candle, where it will definitely try to cross 15,000 plus levels, and hence any point of time right now you can remain long. It is right now trading at 14930 levels. You can take along with the stop loss at 14900. You can remain long. Possibly you can expect it to hit 15030 and 15100 levels can also be expected. It will try to complete this liquidity gap here. It will try to hit this zone. The next resistance, massive resistance zone, is only at 15100. Now look at this on the daily charts. On the daily charts, couple of observations here. Now let me try to reduce it a bit. Now if I connect the dots here, now here you can see that this zone at, so if I connect the previous rise, I had drawn it for you all. If I connect the previous rises, definitely 15020 is something which is definitely will definitely provide a stronger resistance for US100, and it will also be a minor retracement. But beyond 15020 and 15100, it is again trying to head towards this zone at 15500 plus levels. So till the time it remains beyond 15100, 15020, we can see 15100, and beyond that definitely third bullish candle tomorrow can appear, and we may see. Now also look at this. Let me show you something. Here you can see 14600 to 14800, 200 points of move. Now 14800 to 15100, this time the candle size will definitely increase. It is going to be a big bullish candle, and it will almost be 50% extra than the previous size of the candle, previous body of the candle, and hence I am expecting 15100 to get achieved. In fact, it can go well beyond that also, towards 15200 can also be seen. Appears very bullish. You can remain long on NASDAQ 100. Now let's have a look at the indicators. Looking at the indicators, now it is above the 50 moving average. Now looking forward to resistance here at around 15 to 300 levels. So possibly this is the resistance level which it might try to achieve in the coming trading sessions. Maybe tomorrow, maybe today itself, anything is possible. These are markets, but by today or tomorrow this is trying to achieve this zone at 15200, 300. So a good time to go along with the support at around 14900 levels. I am still very bullish on this. And also for the day, if you look at, the support are available at 14800. Below 14800 only I will consider this as weak. Also look at the DPO is entering into green. Right now it is in red, in a sell zone. The directional movement is still in red on the daily charts. Stochastic is comfortable, looking upwards, looking bullish, and MACD lines are running parallel and trying to diverge from here. Possibly we might see a stronger bullish candle which will further diverge, make them diverge. And but on the other hand, the only point which is a point of worry for me is the crossover on stochastic on the 4-hour charts, and possibly this is indicating, but yes, this can sustain couple of candles below. Before that it tries to drop, so it is definitely going to drop, but may sustain a high at around 15 where it tries to drop. So possibly you can take a position accordingly, but right now it is bullish and it can sustain these levels for a couple of candles. MACD lines are divergent on a 4-hour chart, and you can see the support zone only well below on a 4-hour chart at around 14700 to 800 zone. Below, beyond 14800, definitely it is strongly bullish. You can remain long for the day. Now let me give you the trading levels here. Let me jump to the levels directly. Now for the day, you can take a long entry till the time it remains above 4900. You should find a suitable entry point at any point. You can take a long entry. The next target is 14970 and then 15020. These are the two targets which I will be looking forward to. Once this is done, 15020, rather I will say 15030. Once this is done, it will definitely try to hit 15100, and beyond 15100 it will try to hit 15180. So take your positions accordingly. At the same time, on the downside below 14900, you can initiate a short entry at 14900, and you can expect it to drop towards 14850, the first support which will come into picture. Below that 14800 and 14780. Now for the day till 14800, I will not recommend you to take a positional short where you can keep your and hold your shorts, but yes, once it drops below 14780, definitely it will drop sharply towards 14720, 14660 and 14620. Now I had told you yesterday also, this is a very strong support level. So take your positions accordingly. I think till 14780, 14800, even if it drops, we can take a long entry there. We can in fact expect it to rise. Only bearishness in the market I will suggest is below 14800, 780 levels. Till the time it is above that, you can remain long. You can expect 15,000 plus levels. And yes, remember this 4-hour candle still has to see a tail, so it can drop before it achieves a high at around 14970, and from there it can again try to drop towards. So what I'm trying to say is 14970 to 14850 or 14950 to 14850. It can try to create a doji candle like this, and from there the next candle can start. So you can see a plus minus swing also from the market open. So any drop, yes, it's a good level to go long at around 14850, 14830 levels also. Take your positions accordingly. Now I am moving towards US30. US30 trading at 35,690. Now as I shared in the morning, that here is the support at around 35,500, 3040 levels. After this consolidation, it has seen a rise. Now you can connect the dots here. The high is here at around 35,700, 1020 levels, and the support at around 35,500, 2030 levels. Now from here it is trying to give a rise. Once it breaks this zone at 35,710, definitely see this candle here, 35,550 to 35,650, almost 100 points. Now it will try to give 35,650 to 35,750, or 35,800 can also be seen, and subsequently third candle can also be achieved. So it is trying to break out of this zone, and it can give a further larger candle. You can see after this consolidation, it has given a bullish candle, then couple of bullish candles. After this consolidation, it is trying to rise almost 100 points. So you can expect almost 150 points can be expected, and 35,800 appears certain here that it can hit 35,800, and beyond that it will fly towards 35,900 and 36,000 levels also. But let's have a further look from different time frames. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, so see, it has given a minor consolidation candle here, now trying to take a rise. Probably from here we can see that previous support was here at around 35,500, 35,520, 30 levels. It has seen couple of bullish candles, now trying to take a breakout, and once it breaks past this zone at 35,750, definitely it will try to hit 35,800 and plus levels. The resistance on the upside is quite far away, and hence you can expect breaking this zone at 35,720, 30. Definitely it will try to hit forward to 35,800 plus level. Also see, this is the double top, and it is almost completed this. So it might try to achieve higher highs, and it can go till towards 36,000 plus levels on the 4-hour chart. The next resistance here is at this zone, that is 36,000. So probably breaking this zone at 35,750, we can expect it to head towards 36,000 levels in today or tomorrow's trading session. Also the bottom of this at around 35,900 can provide a little resistance. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can see here it is consolidating on the upward ascending triangle, and now from here if it gives the breakout, it is going to give a sharp bullish candle which will try to take it towards 35,900 plus levels. Now look at the previous candles. The support, as I said, around 35,540, 35,550 levels. It is trying to increase the support levels. Now here at around 35,650 levels, with the support at 35,650, it is trying to take a rise, and you can see 100 points. So at least 120 points it is definitely try to make, and probably it might try to hit 35,750 levels within next 30-40 minutes, and from there we will see how it behaves. Probably it can try to give you a swing candle in the 2-hour charts, taking it towards 35,900 to 35,700 zone, and in fact can try till towards 35,650, and from there it may try to fly away later. Now on the hourly charts, the story is similar. In fact, on the hourly charts, you can see Now here the support at 35,650 trying to rise. Probably it might try to rise strongly, give a stronger candle towards 35,770 and then fly towards 35,900. Now let's have a look at the indicators. On the indicators trading, this is on, let's first have a look at the daily charts. Daily chart indicators. On the daily charts you can see above trading above the 20, 50 and 100 moving average, trading about 20, 50 and 100 simple and exponential moving average, indicating that yes, there is bullishness now in US30, and you can expect the top of the Bollinger Bands lying at around 35,950. It can try to hit this zone at 35,950 and in fact can hit 36,000 also for the day. As yesterday what we saw is a massive bullish candle here around 35,200 to 35,550 levels, and again today 35,500 to 35,950 a bigger bullish candle can be expected, and yes, it appears you can remain bullish. But let's have a look at the other indicators. The DPO is entered into a buy zone again and indicating that yes, it is bullish. There is a crossover on the directional movement which is going to happen. Beyond that it will remain bullish. Stochastic trying to enter into buy zone, indicating yes, this is still bullish, and MACD lines are divergent. RSI is comfortable on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts the support levels are quite far below. Also see this exponential 50 moving exponential giving it a support at around 35,550. Definitely it is a support, and on the upside also 35,650 is a support. In between 35,650 to 550 it may try to hit, but yes, till the time it remains beyond 35,650 you can remain long. You can expect it to hit at least 35,800 and then farther levels. Now it is long, it is bullish, it is in buy zone. Only indicator which is making me worry is a 4-hour stochastic which is overbought, highly overbought, extreme levels. It has to drop. Maybe after a couple of candles it will drop certainly, but then by that time the damage or the rise is already done. It can definitely take it on the farther levels. On the MACD, yes, it is buy, and RSI is comfortable. So let me give you the levels directly. Now considering all this, if you look at the buy levels, I will recommend for the day you can take a long entry anytime beyond 35,650. Till the time it remains beyond 35,650 you can take an entry. Like what I mean is, right now it is at 35,709. You can take a long entry here, or plus minus you can wait for open if it tries to drop a little, but by the time it might try to hit 35,750 780 zone, and then it will try to drop towards 35,700 to 650 levels, and from there it will rise again. So I am just trying to give you a hint that whenever you see a video you can take a long entry possibly, or you can wait for the US cash session to open. That time also you might see a little drop, and then you can take a long entry there also. So till the time it remains above 35,650, my next target is 35,720. Once this is done, it will, beyond this the next target is 35,780, and think this should get achieved, and then 35,800. Now this will also get achieved today, and beyond that it will try to reach 35,880. I think all of this should get achieved. 35,950 till the time it remains above 35,650, definitely it will get achieved. 35,950 and then 36,000. This is the ultimate target for the day. Probably it might try to hit these levels. Beyond that definitely it will try to fly towards 36,100. Somewhere in between it might try to hit. Now what will happen if it drops below 35,650? At these levels, if it tries to sustain one point, you can take a long entry here. If you see it reversing here, you can take a long entry again. Or if you see it dropping the next support level at around 35,600, this is a very strong support here. Then 35,550, every 50 points there are strong supports available. Now only short I will recommend is below 35,550. In fact till 35,550 you can again enter long position. Below that it will try to hit 35,500. Every 50 points it has got a support, and then it will try to drop towards 35,400 and 35,350. Now remember 35,350 which was a resistance level for the upward move. Now it will be the resistance for the downward move. It will be the support for the downward move. It will try to prevent US30 from dropping below 35,350 till the time it gets a strong bearish candle for it to drop extremely. Now above this it might try to. Anyways, these are markets. I have to keep all the probabilities. And yes, only a bearishness I will recommend. I will be bearish for the day only below 35 500 550 500 levels. Till the time it is above this zone, I will expect it to head till towards 35,950 at least, or 36,000 also can be achieved. Take your positions accordingly. And yes, keep the stop losses at least. Don't trade without the stop loss. This is your friend. Remember, a small loss is better than a tension, overnight tension, than to keep the positions or to hedge it. Again, it's a stress which you will try to build. So please avoid this situation. Join my Telegram channel. Join my next mentorship batch is starting on 15th of February. Definitely you can benefit from the strategies I teach. And first you should invest in yourself, then you can try to invest in markets, and that will make you a profitable trader, and you can reap the benefits throughout the right life. Reach out to me via email or Telegram for any of your trading or training related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading there. Thank you.